All right, in this video, I'm going to try and show you how to log into the pre-calculus book. So we're going to start by clicking on the link that's on Google Classroom. And, oh boy, it's logged in for me already because I already did this. So if I sign out, this is what you're going to see. For username, you're going to use the one that we've got listed, provided that it works for multiple students. We'll see about that. And enter the password that, again, that's put on the assignment on Google Classroom. Once we get in there, here we go, we're going to click on Pre-Calculus 15-16. So this is the course that we're going to be looking at. Now, you can skip over this unless you want to read how the thing works and prepare yourself for how next year's class is going to go. I'm going to close that for the time being. Now, in order to access the textbook online, you're going to go to Multimedia Library on the left. And we're going to, chapter all chapters, section, let's just do, we're going to just find now, we're going to just do everything, okay? Now, once we get this, you can click chapter 1, 2, whatever. We're interested especially in chapters 4 and 5, and specifically lessons 3 to 8, except 6, and then in chapter 5, we're looking at lessons 1 to 4. So if you wanted to click on any of those specifically, it would take you to that lesson. Now, there's options to go to the Multimedia Textbook. This is really what we're going to be using as we look at the textbook. You're going to look at a PowerPoint for that lesson. Those are here. You're going to look at a video that explains some of the things going on. These are, again, provided by the textbook. You're certainly welcome to do so. So let's say the first lesson we're going to be looking at is 4.3. So if I were to select 4.3, trig extended, the circular functions, the ebook pops up. It takes a little bit of time to load itself, and then once it does, it should take us again straight to lesson 4.3. Okay, here we go, loading. There we go. So 4.3, trigonometry extended, the circular functions. Ways to move around this: you can go page by page up here, next page, previous page. You can type in a page number directly, and just to show you that this is what it looks like. Here's the hard copy. Again, page 338, it's the same thing on your screen. Okay, so just the electronic copy of the textbook. But read through the lesson, skim through that stuff. Some of this is stuff that you learned in a previous trig lesson from me. And again, problems start, I believe, on this lesson, they start on page 347. So even if you just wanted to type in page 347, it'll take a minute. Here's the exercise that you'll do. Okay. So you're going to look at the screen, you can make it big, whatever, answer problems on a sheet of paper, and we'll turn them in. And you can work on these by yourself, together, whatever. Again, we're just trying to give you a taste of trig, a little bit of extra prep in case you're taking the ACT sometime in the near future, or if you just want a head start on next year's pre-calculus course. So hopefully that should do. Ask me if you got any questions.